If you think you know your iPhone, you're completely wrong. The truth is, Apple is hiding insanely powerful features inside your iPhone that once you discover them, you will never use your phone the same way again. And here's the craziest part. Some of these tricks can save you hours every single day, protect your data, and even turn your iPhone into something that feels almost illegal. Stay until the end, because the number one trick honestly shouldn't even exist, and it might completely change how you use your iPhone forever. Trick 10. The invisible button on the back. Did you know your iPhone has a hidden button that you can't even see? Yeah, you can tap the back of your iPhone and trigger actions instantly. You can take screenshots, open the camera, turn on the flashlight, launch secret shortcuts, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch and enable Back Tap. Now let me ask you, how many times have you wasted time looking for a button that was literally there the whole time? And trust me, this is just getting started. Trick 9. Hide apps without deleting them. Want real privacy? Not just deleting apps, but making them completely disappear? With iOS, you can hide apps from your home screen and access them only through the app library. Just hold the app, remove it from the home screen, and it's gone from plain sight. You can go even further by organizing apps in ways no one would ever check. Now think about this. If someone grabbed your phone right now, what would you not want them to see? Hold that thought, because this next one gets even crazier. Trick 8. Record everything on your screen. You can record everything happening on your iPhone. No apps, no downloads, no warnings. Just enable screen recording in your control center. Now imagine using this for saving important conversations, recording tutorials, keeping proof of something, and here's where it gets interesting. You can also record audio along with it. Yeah, that changes everything. But the next trick is even more powerful. Trick 7. Turn your iPhone into a professional scanner. Stop taking bad pictures of documents. Your iPhone already has a built-in scanner. Open the Notes app, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Documents. It automatically adjusts lighting, fixes angles, cleans up the image. This can completely replace a real scanner. Now think, how many times did you need to scan something quickly and couldn't? Exactly. But the next trick could actually save your life. Trick 6. Hidden emergency saws. Almost no one talks about this, but your iPhone can call for help instantly. Press the side button multiple times, and it can call emergency services, send your location, alert your emergency contacts. Now ask yourself, if something happened to you right now, would anyone know where you are? This isn't just useful, it's critical. But the next one is going to blow your mind. Trick 5. Copy text from any image. You can copy text from photos. Yes, any photo. Signs, books, screenshots, anything. Open an image and just select the text directly. Now imagine copying a Wi-Fi password from a piece of paper, translating text instantly, extracting information without typing. This alone can save you hours. But the next trick saves something even more important. Trick 4. Boost your battery life fast. Your iPhone can last much longer if you know what to change. Go to battery settings and check your battery health. Then, turn on low power mode. Disable background app refresh. Lower your brightness. Now think, how many times has your phone died at the worst possible moment? Exactly. But the next trick feels like something out of a hacker movie. Trick 3. Create automations that work for you. Your iPhone can literally run things automatically. Open the Shortcuts app and go to Automation. You can set things like turning on Wi-Fi when you get home, switching to silent mode at night, triggering actions when opening apps. Now imagine your phone working for you without you even touching it. That changes everything. But the next one is insane. Trick 2. Turn your iPhone into a listening device. This feature feels straight out of a movie. You can use your iPhone as a remote microphone. Go to Control Center, enable hearing, and use Live Listen. Place your phone somewhere and listen through your AirPods. Now stop for a second. Did you really know your iPhone could do this? And somehow, this still isn't the most shocking one. Trick 1. The mode that completely transforms your iPhone. This one, Apple definitely doesn't promote. You can completely change how your iPhone looks and behaves. Using focus mode, shortcuts, and custom widgets, you can create minimalist layouts, hidden apps, a fully customized experience. Your iPhone stops being just a phone and becomes something entirely unique. Now be honest. Are you really using your iPhone to its full potential? Or have you just been using the basics? And this is just the surface. Because there are even more hidden features that most people will never discover. So, if you want to truly master your iPhone, you need to watch the next video. Because what comes next honestly shouldn't even be possible.